Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm still Sabi from CodeRevolution. So sorry for you guys not being able to see me for this video, but I have currently some issues with the recording software I'm using. It is not detecting my camera. However, I need to fix it. But until then, I wanted to drop a quick video for you guys to know that I am still working on updates for Aiomatic. And so far we have this list of updates and new features added to Aiomatic. The update will be releasing soon, which will include these features, and maybe more features will be added as I am still working on it. But I wanted to add a heads up video that hey, I'm still alive, I'm still working on Aiomatic. So let's check one by one each feature. So the first one is the bulk AI post creator added the ability to generate post titles from popular SERP results related to topics. So this means that hey, we can add our API keys first for SERP API or for value SERP, any of these two, and then we can go to bulk AI post creator, and now we will be able to create post titles not only based on the things that the AI writer will return, but also based on SERP searches. So if we enter topics here and in the title generator method we select related SERP searches, we will be able to use SERP API or value SERP to generate titles based on related searches from the search engine. So let's demonstrate this. For example, cooking beef, something really basic with only 2 sections to make this quick, no images, and let's add this also here to add a title, and let's run importing now. And as you will see, the plugin will use SERP API to search for related headings for cooking beef topic. And yeah, we should get soon a post posted to our site here on the front end, which will be about cooking beef. And the progress, we can check it here in the activity and logging menu. So what is the best way to cook beef? This is some basic question that popped up from the search results, and as you will see, this time the AI will generate the titles based on related SERP searches and not based on the AI writer. So we will see this post popping up soon. Until then, let's go to the second point here to just shorten this video's length. Added the ability to use AI to improve YouTube video search accuracy for embedded videos. This is also a great feature, and we can check this in the main settings. As you might know that you can add videos to the number of YouTube videos to add to the article. So you can add videos to the article, and now you will be able to improve the keywords that based on which the plugin is making the YouTube video searches using the main settings, YouTube embeds tab, and check the improve YouTube video search keywords using AI checkbox. Select a model and add a prompt for this. So I added the default prompt using which keyword or search phrase should I search YouTube to get the most relevant videos for this text, and query. Query will be usually the title of the post you are posting or the title of the section that you are searching. So which is the best beef, and here's a basic post, and this is a featured image with the title. So this is the big one. The title is imported from related searches from search engine results. Okay, so as I said, this is the first one. The second one can be checked here, so you can improve the accuracy of YouTube videos which appear in the posts by going here and checking this and enabling this feature. It will improve accuracy of YouTube videos. So also fixed some DID text-to-speech things that were messing around. These are fixed. Added an option to add nofollow attribute to the automatically added external links. So if you are using external links, so let's delete this post real quick and disable this feature. And now we should go to content editor. And if you are using the automatic linking options, you will see in the latest update that add nofollow attribute to manual links. So all links that you enter here, one per line, will be added will be getting the nofollow attribute also if you check this checkbox. If you don't check this checkbox, the links will be without nofollow attribute. Okay, now let's continue. Added the ability to download all chat logs in a single file. So you might be aware that the chatbot is able to download the persistent chat. So let's enable persistent chats real quick just to demo this feature, and let's tell the chatbot that, hi, I'm here, hello, how can I assist you today? And if we refresh this, the conversation appeared here. We can delete, download or view. And when many conversations appear here, you can get a bit tired to download all. So a button was added, download all conversations, which will download all conversations which appear in the persistent chatbot manager. Okay, so let's disable this. Now we can continue. Added the ability to use AI to select a featured image for the published post from the default featured image list. So this is also an interesting feature. If you are publishing posts and you say that, hey, I don't want the AI to select to import an image from royalty-free image sources, and I also don't want the AI to generate AI images, then you can simply uncheck this checkbox and add a list of featured images that you want to assign to posts here. And if you go in the plugins main settings and go to bulk post creator, you will see default featured image optimizations in the latest version of the plugin, and you will be able to enable this feature which this is talking about. Use AI to select default featured image from post, and you will be getting a model and a prompt, and the prompt will be this one. The default value is select an image URL based on its file name which matches the best the post based on its title. If no matching image can be selected, pick a random one from the list. Respond only with the URL of the selected images, with nothing else. The title of the post is, the image URL list is. And this is the default prompt that will appear here. Okay, and yeah, so basically we will use AI to select the best matching image based on the image name and path. So you can set up image path and name which is suggesting its content. So if the image contains a cat, you can name it cat.jpg. And afterwards, if you use this improvement that I recently added, the plugin will check the available images, and if it sees that in the post title it has some cat references, it will tell that, hey, I have this cat image, let's select the cat image for the post because it suits well the published post. Okay, so let's move on. Added an option to use different API key for each API request even when creating the same post. Okay, so this is available only when using multiple OpenAI, Aiomatic API or Azure API keys are entered in settings. So if you are using the plugin with multiple API keys, so here as you can see I have here multiple API keys. I will not show them, only the beginning of them for confidentiality, and I can check this checkbox and it will tell the plugin that, hey, you can create posts, and with each post rotate the API keys available here, but keep in mind that rotate these keys with each request because the plugin will make multiple requests to create a single post. So if you go to activity and logging and check the activity logs, you will see that it makes multiple API calls to OpenAI to write a single post. And because of this, if you check this checkbox, the plugin will use a new API key for each and every request that it makes. If you uncheck this checkbox, the plugin will use a single API key for entire post. So it will create with the same API key the entire post that needs to be created. So depending on what you select, it can use the same API key for the entire post to write it, or it can rotate the keys and use a different key for each request it makes to write even the same post. Okay, so now let's move on. Added the ability to use user custom meta fields data in prompts when using this format. So we have this format, and this is the user meta slug. This is useful if, for example, you want to train the chatbot to add some user related data. So you can use this in the chatbot context, for example, and you will be able to use custom fields logs for user custom fields. So in this format, so start with this, add the slug of the user custom field and add with this, and the users which are logged into your site will be able to, the chatbot will be able to get the data for these users and to use it in its context. So this is a really useful feature for advanced users. And finally, added the ability to change more 11 Labs API parameters for plugin settings. And the final thing I want to show you is here in the chatbot text-to-speech video tab of the AI chatbot. If you select 11 Labs, I added all these settings which were not here before. So we can select the language voice as before, but I added this. You can also select a voice model. I suggest that you select the multilingual V2 because it's their best model so far. Voice stability, similarity boost, exaggeration, and speaker boost. So you can enter values here. These are similar to the values available in 11 Labs Playground. So you can play also with this here in the plugin now. Okay, so these are the current features. Expect more to come in the near future. I will release this update in the upcoming days, so stay tuned for it. Check Aiomatic's page for changelog, as I will add the changelog here to the bottom of the page right here. So 159 will come soon. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope I will manage to fix my camera soon, and sorry for it not being functional right now. Yeah, so like, share, subscribe, it really supports my work, and until next time, this is all. Thanks for watching. Until then, bye bye.